In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get mythical chest here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before you do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want any more content just like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, it doesn't necessarily matter which island you go to. You really can get these from any of them. The harder the NPC, the better. But I actually really like doing this on Easter Island right now. Essentially, just go ahead and travel to any location that has a group of NPCs together that you can go ahead and farm. Once you go ahead and get to this location, just go ahead and start auto farming them with one of your abilities. And essentially, you just need to keep doing this over and over and over and over again. Make sure you do accept the quest whenever you have the opportunity to as well. That actually speeds it up a little bit. But as long as you just farm NPCs, you will get these pretty quickly. Once again, the stronger the NPCs, the better that you have in terms of chances of getting those mythical chests, but that's the full process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.